In your health coverage tonight, there were 30,000 fewer drug overdose deaths in the U.S. last year than the year before. That's the largest one-year decline ever recorded. Now, that's according to preliminary CDC data released just today. It's the second year in a row drug overdose deaths have dropped after year-over-year increases were reported during the pandemic. Researchers say they're cautiously optimistic. An estimated 80,000 people died from overdoses last year. That is down 27% from 110,000 in 2023.
And according to the CDC data, Iowa overdose deaths have fallen by 7%, and Illinois has seen a 30% decrease.
Emma Bucher explains what paramedics think is contributing to this drop.
Paramedics with Scott County Medic EMS say they've seen a decrease in opioid and drug overdose related deaths over the last year, fitting with the national findings.
Yeah, it's a great trend to see those numbers drop. Using Narcan, it's been a downward trend for the last year or so.
The decreasing overdose deaths are in part credited to wider naloxone access, also known as Narcan.
And we order about 90 doses of Narcan a month, and we have seen that drop a little bit over the last few months.
Chuck Gibson with Scott County EMS says they see overdose deaths trend cyclically. He says last year, Scott County EMS administered 580 doses of Narcan.
It's been great. We still prepare for it every day, but and we're still using Narcan, but actually drug-related overdose are dropping, which is great.
Soon, Scott County is starting a Narcan Leave Behind program.
So let's say we come to somebody's house, we find them unresponsive, we give them Narcan, we wake them up. They at that point decide that they're alert-oriented and they don't want to go to the hospital at that time. We're going to leave a kit with them. So in the event that they get in a bad way again, they can use that with themselves and then call us back to hopefully save that life.
Now across the river, officials are seeing the same trends. The Rock Island County Coroner's Office reports only 8 recorded overdose deaths last year, compared to 25 deaths in 2023.
We hope they continue to fall, but if we go by any past numbers, there's a fear that those numbers are going to raise. We'll probably have some deaths that we don't want to have deaths. Having the medication available, it prevents deaths.
In Davenport, Emma Bucher, WQAD News 8.
Scott County EMS says the Narcan Leave Behind program is fully funded and approved. They're just waiting for supplies to arrive before they start handing out kits. Now, the Rock Island County Health Department also offers free Narcan kits available for pickup Monday through Friday at their headquarters.